Hello everybody, I am Asaduzzaman Biswas. Today I like to discuss about Laravel. In my previous tutorial, I shown you how to display the data of database table onto our web page, and I also discussed how to insert data into our database table and how to remove or delete any data from database table, right? So today I like to discuss about how we can change, that means how we can edit or update the data of a database table. Okay, great. So what we will do first, look, I am working on index blade, and probably you've seen in your previous tutorial that index blade means from view there is xyz folder, and in that folder there is index.blade page, and I open this page, right? Now I will do work on this page. So what I will do first, I will make a link, right? I will make a link, and the link will contain this text edit. If I click on edit, then where it will go to this controller, means this controller, and with this method it will go to this method of this controller. So what we will write here, we will write here not destroy, we will write here edit, right? That means whenever we will click, then we will go to this method, and inside there is variable this ID, that means we are sending this ID to this method, and this ID will be stored inside this variable. Okay, fine. So let us save it first. So after adding this, what we have to do then, we will have to go web.php page. Okay, fine. Here we have some tasks to do, because this page contains all the navigation information. So we will have to write down this, what we are expecting to do here. If I click on this link, then we will go to this controller and this method, right? So we will have to write it in this web.php page, and those who seen my previous tutorial, they know this web.php page, where this page is here inside roots folder. You will get this page web.php, right? So let us write down here. I will copy and then I will paste it here. Okay, so where we'll go, this is your edit, this is the URL. That means we are passing our ID using this URL, and if we use this URL, then where the server will go, inside this folder and this method, and also this method, right? Okay, great. So let us save it. Okay, right. So we wrote it. I think this one is not required here. So what will happen when we will click on this edit link, then what the server will do, server will go to this controller and this method using this information of web.php page. Okay, fine. So let us check actually it is working properly or not. So I can do one thing, I can check what is inside this xyz variable. I am checking it because I am sending the ID, and this method is getting the ID or not. So I will save it. Okay, and all of us know for Laravel we first have to start the Laravel server, otherwise it will not work, right? So what we will do, we will enter inside the folder where I installed my Laravel. I installed my Laravel in a folder. Inside a folder there is XAMPP folder. Inside XAMPP folder there is htdocs folder. Inside htdocs folder there is block, and here I install my Laravel. So what the command I will write here? php artisan then surf. Okay, start. Has to wait few seconds. It doing the artisan server will start. Okay, it started and gave you the URL. So let us go to our browser and write the URL given by the server. 8,000. Great. Press enter. Okay, now what we'll do? What the URL we make here? XYZ. Okay, no, we will go to here because we are working on the index bed. Index bed means this URL. So let me write here. Okay. I enter the URL and waiting for the page. Okay, great. Look, we are getting the edit link. Now if I click on edit, let us see what happens. Okay, great. I got the ID, right? And if I click on the next link, oh great, I got the ID. That means it is working fine. This is working fine. So now the task of index bed is completed. Now I'll go to the controller to write down our required code. Okay, so what I need here, I need not this line now because testing is complete. Now I need the controller, sorry, model. This is oh great, we can use this line from here because I need the record whose ID is inside $XYZ, right? So paste it. That means, what is the meaning of this line? We are expecting the record, or we are expecting that record whose ID is inside this variable, right? So this line will give us the record, and that record will be stored inside this variable. Now what we'll do, I will send the record to the view. Which view? Edit view, right? And for this I will copy this line. Okay, then I need not to write that much code. Copy. I will go to edit view, and inside this index I will take the value, I will take the record that I got from this line. Okay, so let us test now. Now I will save it. I will save it and go to this plate, and I like to check now. I'm getting the record or not on this edit view. So simply I will like to display whatever I got on this edit view from this controller. So I will copy this index and I like to see what is inside this index. So I will write down dollar. Okay, let us see I am getting the record or not. Okay. Now if I give refresh, great, I am getting the record. Okay, fine. Now my work start. What I will do, I will now use a for each loop and will display the content that I got from the controller on edit view inside a form to give the user that opportunity to change the data, right? So today, after this, I will discuss more about this topic, how to display the data on form and how the data that is edited or changed by the user is updated into the database table in my next tutorial. So if you have any question, feel free to ask me through comments, and subscribe me in my channel to join with my discussion to know about Laravel. So for today, goodbye everyone.